Miami has been gripped with the local news story, first reported here on WETX yesterday afternoon. The victim innocent, the crime shocking, and all of it caught on tape. Local college student Sherry Williamson was brutally carjacked early yesterday morning. A nearby security camera, the only witness. With us, we have special correspondent Ryan Wolf, former CSI of the Miami-Dade Crime Lab. Welcome, Ryan.
Thank you, Heather. It's nice to be here again.
Now, the unnamed suspect is still at large. What can your forensic background tell us about the scene of the crime?
Okay, well, you see, the average person would look at the center of the action, but as a CSI, I'm trained to look from the outside and work inward. Now, if we focus here on the attacker, we're never going to see his face. So we have to analyze the environment around him. Okay, right here. If we isolate this image, and then we magnify it, and then we enhance it, you'll see the attacker's identity clear as day.
If anyone has information regarding this man's whereabouts, please call the station's hotline at 555-0111.
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами.